Welcome back. Today, we have 15 essential Aussie words and phrases that confuse almost every foreigner. Let's go with question 1. What does an Aussie mean when they say, "Sorry, mate, I have to bail tonight"? A. A hay bail. Or B. To cancel plans or leave without warning. It's B. To cancel plans or to leave without warning. What does an Aussie mean when they say it's nearly time to knock off? A. To finish work. Or B. To throw flowers on the ground. 3 seconds left. It's A. To finish work is to knock off. What does an Aussie mean when they say they had a pash at the party? They kissed someone passionately. Or B. They played an electric guitar. 3 seconds. It's A. They kissed someone passionately. What does an Aussie mean when they say she shot through early in the evening? A. Fired a bullet from a gun. Or B. Disappeared or left quite quickly. It's B. Shot through or to shoot through is to leave quickly and suddenly. Let's use that one in context. Don't shoot through. Stay till the end. Finish the quiz and keep testing your Aussie slang. What's your score so far? Can you speak fluent Australian? Could you survive a weekend in an Aussie pub, or is it time to rewatch this video already? How are you going? What does an Aussie mean when they say, "I chucked a sickie"? Took a day off work pretending to be sick, or threw a thermometer across the room? Yes, it's A. Took a day off work. Tell your boss you're sick so you could have the day off and do something fun. Skull, skull, skull when you're at a party. What does that mean? Is it an Aussie Halloween tradition? Or B. Drink an entire drink without stopping? It's B. To drink an entire drink in one go without stopping. What does an Aussie mean when they say, "My Rego is due"? Is it A. An annual doctor visit or checkup? Or B. An annual vehicle registration? It's B. Annual vehicle registration to check the roadworthiness of your car. Number 8. I'm looking forward to a cold one. Is a cold one a cold beer? Or is it a frozen ice cream? How are you going? Hope you're having fun. It's a cold beer. What does an Aussie mean when they say, "I'd like a cab sav, please"? Is it A. I'd like a glass of red wine, please? Or B. I'd like a taxi or rideshare quickly, please? It's A. Cab Sauv is Cabernet Sauvignon. It's a variety of grape used to make red wine. Fancy a cuppa? This is number 10. When we say fancy a cuppa, do we mean, is it a cupcake or cup of tea or coffee? A cuppa is a cup of tea, sometimes coffee, usually tea. There's an ambo behind us. Is an ambo an ambulance or a dangerous breed of rabbit? An ambo is shortened from ambulance. Number 12, we're going to schoolies in November. Is schoolies a beach holiday or end of school celebrations for Year 12 graduates? It's B. It's end of school celebrations for students who have finished high school. What does an Aussie mean when they say, "You beauty"? Do they mean that's excellent news or you're so beautiful? They mean that's excellent news. You are so excited. What does an Aussie mean when they say, "Bloody oath"? Is it a way of wholeheartedly agreeing with someone, or is it a Boy Scout's promise? It's a way of saying absolutely, definitely, for sure, bloody oath. What does an Aussie mean when they say crikey? Is it an exclamation of surprise? Crikey! Or is it a cricket match? Crikey! It's an exclamation of surprise or amazement. I'm sure you've all heard this one before. Now, how much do you know? Are you a true blue Aussie? Did you score 13 to 15 correct? If you did, you can practically speak fluent Australian. Did you get 8 to 12 correct? You're a fair dinkum mate. You'll survive a weekend at an Aussie pub. If you got 0 to 7 correct, you might just be fresh off the plane and you probably need to watch this video again. For everyone though, drop your score in the comments below. How many did you get right? Did any of the wrong answers trick you? Would love to hear. And if you would like more quizzes like this, let me know. We'll make them for you. If you enjoyed this test, hit that like button, subscribe for more Australian practice. Thanks for playing, and I'll see you next time.